Hello everyone, I'm Jameela Adams, virtual consultant and founder of Jameela Adams at your service. In today's installment of the Problem and Solution series, we'll be using the Simply Schedule Appointments plugin in WordPress. A few weeks ago, my client asked me to put a calendar onto their website to book appointments. I researched the various calendar plugins to see what would be best for their needs and easy to use. After going through the list of plugins, I decided to use Simply Schedule Appointments. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a schedule by using this plugin. Let's begin. We'll start in a WordPress dashboard, and you'll see the plugin Appointments. Once open, we'll see the Simply Schedule Appointments dashboard. Now we can create the type of appointment you want your customers to see on the front end of your site. Let's go into appointment types. I've created Consultation Call for our appointment type. Once I click on it, you'll see the options that are available to use. You have your basic, you have your duration, which you can change. You have your duration units, which you can change as well, from minutes, hours, days, so on. Then you have your booking view, which is weekly, and or you can change it to monthly. This is what your client will see on the front end of the site. Here you can leave a message, I will call you, or we'll meet at your office. Availability, when you're available for this type of appointment. Here you can define your availability for this appointment type. You can use either appointment blocks or you can have specific start times, as you can see here. I chose to use available blocks. Also, you can use, or show I should say, the appointment start times. They can vary from 10 minutes to 60 minutes. Here, I chose to have 30 minutes. The other thing too, you can change the appointment days that you want to have scheduled. As you can see here, I have scheduled Monday through Friday, and there's no appointments set for Saturday and Sunday. Then you have capacity. Now, capacity is going to be grayed out because this is a free plugin. If you were to use the Simply Schedule Appointments Plus, you have that capability of having more than one person sitting in at an appointment. Since we don't have that, we're just going to skip that. Here you have scheduling options. This is for the appointment time zone. You can either have it localized or locked. So it's on localized, and you can change it to lock. And you can see here, you can recommend in-person appointment times or whatever. And that's our time zone is set for Los Angeles. So we're going to go back to localized, which is more recommended for calls and online meetings. Then you have your appointment buffer, the amount of time that should be left free before and after an appointment. I have it here for 15 minutes, and you can change that obviously. And here are the units. You can change it from minutes, hours, days, and so on. Same here. And then you have your notice required. This will be sent out automatically to let the person who set the appointment know that they have the appointment coming up. And the duration could be for 1 day, and then you also can change it to minutes, hours, days, weeks, so on. And then you can have how many the limit per day. So let's go ahead and close that out. Then we have web meetings. Here we did not create a meeting URL because it's a consultation call. And then if you so choose to, you can create a URL. And that way, if you wanted to have it sent to a personal Zoom call, this is how you would do it. Your personal Zoom meeting. Then you could type in your Zoom meeting URL. However, as you can see, Google Meet and Zoom are grayed out because that is part of Simply Schedule Simply Schedule Appointment Plus. So that way, if you were to use this, you will have to upgrade to that. Then here you have customer information. You have name and email, which is displayed and required. That is the standard. However, phone, address, and so on, you can check these to make them required and displayed. However, I chose not to, but I did leave, I did check notes to be displayed and required. So that way, if the client has any questions, I can see the question. And that way we can get some pre-information for the meeting. And here, this is the booking info. We're going to use the shortcode to create our in a post or on a page. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, and then we're going to save the information. So now we're going to go into post, add new, and we're going to give it a title. And the type of block we're going to use is a custom HTML since it's code. And paste. And then we're going to publish. And then we're going to view the post. And there you have it. The post has our appointment calendar for consultation calls. And you can see here the time zone. And as you can see here, Saturday and Sunday is blurred out. So we're going to go to Monday, pick a time, and here you can put your name, your email address, and whatever notes you would like to relay. And then you can book your appointment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to sharing more items in the Problem and Solution series. Have you subscribed to my blog yet? Feel free to leave a like and a comment about the challenges you've incurred on your site, or leave a suggestion for the next topic in the Problem and Solution series. Have a great one, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye now.